Hello guys! Today I want to show you 3 ways to repair broken cabinet hinges. After many uses, the screws become weak and it is necessary to somehow repair the hinges. The first method is to use these small pieces of wood, often used to assemble furniture pieces. As you have seen, it is necessary to make a hole with a drill and then insert these pieces of wood. If you have, it would help to put a little wood glue in the holes. Now, the hinge is much more resistant and will last for a few more years. Please let me know what you think of this method, and also, I would like to know what country you are from. In the second method, I use 2 plastic dowels. These are a little longer, but you can cut them with a cutter as much as you need. Likewise here, the hinge tightened very well. And for the last method, I chose to use coffee stir sticks. Likewise here, if you have wood glue, it would help to insert a little into the hole. Please let me know what you think of these methods, and if you find them useful, please leave me a like and a comment. Thank you.